Hello, welcome to another new session of Shulagna's Bioblog. Today I will discuss about some more MCQ on endocrine system. This is the part 2 of the MCQ on endocrine system. Question number 1. Which is not true about calcium function? Option A, muscle relaxation. Option B, muscle contraction. Option C, blood clotting. Option D, regulation of enzymatic action. The right answer is muscle relaxation, option A. Question number 2. Which is not a part of adrenal gland? Option A, cortex. Option B, medulla. Option C, sphincter. Option D, all of these. The right answer is option C, sphincter. Question number 3. Melatonin is secreted from option A, parathyroid gland. Option B, pituitary. Option C, thyroid gland. Option D, pineal gland. The right answer is option D, pineal gland. Melatonin is secreted from pineal gland. Question number 4. Winter depression is caused by which of the following hormones? Option A, TSH. Option B, melatonin. Option C, FSH. Option D, LH. The right answer is option B, melatonin. Winter depression is caused by melatonin because it helps to change the mood of human being. Question number 5. Which is true about melatonin? Option A, secretion is lowest at daylight. Option B, secretion is influenced by daylight hours. Option C, coordinates diurnal rhythms. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of the above. Melatonin controls all of this. Question number 6. Melatonin is structurally similar to option A, thyroglobulin. Option B, thyroxine. Option C, serotonin. Option D, melanin. The right answer is option C. Melatonin is structurally similar to serotonin. Question number 7. Erythropoietin is secreted from option A, kidney. Option B, thymus. Option C, adipose tissue. Option D, placenta. The right answer is option A, kidney. Question number 8. The hormone AMP is secreted from option A, kidney. Option B, heart. Option C, liver. Option D, thymus. The right answer is option B, heart. Question number 9. Which is not true about HCG? Option A, secreted from placenta, stimulates secretion of estrogen. Option C, stimulates secretion of progesterone. Option D, acts on testes. The right answer is option D, acts on testes, because HCG is a hormone that is mainly found in female body. Question number 10. Which of the following is caused by low calcium level? Option A, tetany. Option B, anxiety. Option C, seizure. Option D, all of the above. Our right answer is option D, all of the above, because tetany, anxiety, seizure all are caused by low calcium level. Question number 11. Hypocalcemia is caused by the deficiency of option A, PTH. Option B, ADH. Option C, ACTH. Option D, FSH. Hypocalcemia is caused by parathyroid hormone PTH. The right answer is option A. Question number 12. Which of the following hormone is secreted from delta cell? Delta cell is found in islets of Langerhans of pancreas, and it helps to the secretion of somatostatin. The right answer is option C. Question number 13. Breakdown of glycogen to glucose is known as option A, glycolysis. Option B, glycogenolysis. Option C, gluconeogenesis. Option D, glycogenesis. The right answer is option B, glycogenolysis. Option B, glycogenolysis. Breakdown of glycogen. Breakdown means lysis, so glycogenolysis. Question number 14. Which of the following is caused by hypothyroidism? Option A, increased release of T3 and T4. Option B, goiter. Option B, X ophthalmos. And option D, all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of the above. Hypothyroidism causes all of this. Question number 15. Which is true about goiter? Option A, iodine deficiency. Option B, usage of antithyroid drug. Option C, surgical removal of thyroid. Option D, all of these. The right answer is option D, all of these. Question number 16. Which is not true about Cushing syndrome? Option A, hypersecretion of glucocorticoid. Option B, hypertension. Option C, muscle weakness. Option D, increased melanin secretion. The right answer is option D, because Cushing syndrome is not at all related to melanin secretion. Melanin is responsible for the color of the body, the fair or dark complexion of the body, of the skin. It is not at all related to Cushing syndrome. The right answer is option D. Number 17. Hypersecretion of glucocorticoid causes option A, diminished protein synthesis. Option B, osteoporosis. Option C, calcium loss from bone. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 18. The causes of Cushing syndrome. Option A, abnormal secretion of ACTH. Option B, prolonged treatment with ACTH. Option C, tumor in adrenal gland. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 19. Excessive gluconeogenesis causes option A, hyperglycemia. Option B, glycosuria. Option C, diabetes mellitus. Option D, all of these. The right answer is option D, all of these. Question number 20. Which is the characteristics of Cushing syndrome? Option A, obesity. Option B, psychosis. Option C, moon phase. Option D, all of these. The right answer is option D, all of these. Question number 21. Which is not true about ADH? Option A, secreted from anterior pituitary. Option B, causes diabetes insipidus. Option C, leading to excretion of excessive dilute urine. Option D, water reabsorption from renal tubule. The right answer is option A, secreted from anterior pituitary. All others are true, but first one is not true about ADH. ADH is secreted from posterior pituitary, not from anterior pituitary. Question number 22. Which of the following is true about Addison's disease? Option A, autoimmune disease. Option B, hyposecretion of mineralocorticoid. Option C, muscle weakness. Option D, all of these. The right answer is option D, all of these. Question number 23. Hyposecretion of aldosterone causes option A, blood sodium deficiency. Option B, excess potassium. Option C, dehydration. Option D, low blood pressure. Option E, all of these. The right answer is option E, all of these.